What's up YouTube fam?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and this video, y'all, I actually had no intent on making this video, but I posted this picture on Instagram a couple of days ago, and I had so many comments of people saying, dang, your hair looks so long, all this ponytail is everything, blah blah blah, is there a tutorial coming? I sent a tutorial coming, and I'm just like, I mean, I could make a tutorial. So here it is. I'm going to show you my super easy, like 3-minute tops trick I do to make my hair go from this to this. So stay tuned. So I am starting off on soaking wet hair. As you can see, my shirt is wet. I don't like doing ponytails on dry hair just because, you know, dry hair is easier to break. So all I did, I was rocking like a 3-4 day old wash and go, and I just took a shower and I just wet my hair in the shower so that way my hair can be more manageable when I put it in the ponytail. Alright y'all, so first thing you gotta do is I just split my hair into 2 sections. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Ain't nobody gonna see it. So I have my hair split into 2 sections. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and just put the top part out the way. And then with this little small section back here, then I get my ponytail holder. And then I put this small section back here into a little ponytail.
Daddy raised me, and when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing. I ain't really got no blame. I don't wear no chain. You know, you see me around town.
Now that's out the way, y'all. I'm sorry if y'all hear some noise. My cat is around here running around playing with his little toy or whatever. So we got that down. And then you just take the top part. Then you just take whatever gel that you like. So I'm going to use this Edge Booster styling gel to slick back my ponytail. So I'm just gonna.
I ain't flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue. Blessed with every second that I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream never thought.
This is why I do my ponytails on wet hair. Can you imagine me doing this on dry hair? Honey, my hair would just be breaking and cracking. And then just slick the top part into a ponytail.
You know you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it.
Alright, so now that you got your top ponytail all slicked back, all you do is put that in a ponytail as well.
I'm lonely without my Louis. On me, I ain't dripping ice. No freezer, but I'm tryna live life every day, same way I wanna leave it. Can't name my price, but
and there you go, boy. You got some inches on your ponytail. Looks longer than what it normally would. And then, you know, of course, as your hair dries, it'll get bigger and bigger. It'll look thicker, and you on your way. Now, I will say I did try to do this with straight hair, and it doesn't work with straight hair because you'll be able to see the extra ponytail. But with natural hair, it does work because your hair is thick enough to cover it, and then the 2 ponytails just end up blending. Alright y'all, but that's it. That is my simple little 3-minute longer ponytail trick. Let me know down in the comments if you guys try it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to become part of the Curly Candy crew, and to follow me on Instagram at CURLYCANDI to see more of me in my everyday life. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.